Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss linear equation in two variables from R.D. Sharma MCQ question. Now come to the question. Mark the correct alternative in each of the following. First question. If 419 is a solution of the equation y is equal to ax plus 3, then find A. The given option is A3, B4, C5, D6. Which one is right? Option B, 4. How? Write the equation y is equal to ax plus 3. Imply that put the value of x and y in the equation. In place of y put 19, in place of x put 4. So 19 is equal to a into 4 plus 3. So 19 minus 3 equal to 4a. So 16 is equal to 4a, implies that a is equal to 16 by 4 equal to 4. Option B. Second question. If a4 lies on the graph of equation 3x plus y equal to 10, then the value of a is dash. So option C is right. The given equation ax plus y equal to 10. Now 3a, in place of x put a, in place of y put 4. So 3a plus 4 equal to 10. 3a equal to 10 minus 4 equal to 6, implies that a equal to 6 by 3, 2. Option C is right. Then third question. The graph of the linear equation 2x minus y equal to 4 cuts x-axis at which point? A 2 0, B minus 2 0, C 0 minus 4, D 0 4. The question is, the graph cuts x-axis at which point? The graph cuts x-axis means the point on the x-axis having coordinate x0. The point cuts x-axis having coordinate x0, or all the points on the x-axis having coordinate x0. x0 means the y value or the ordinate is 0. Then put 0 in place of y and find the value. 2x minus y is equal to 4. Put 0 in place of y. 2x minus 0 equal to 4, imply that 2x is equal to 4, imply that x is equal to 2x equal to 4, imply that x is equal to 4 by 2 equal to 2. X value 2. So the coordinate of the point is equal to x0 means 2 0. 2 0, so first bit. Next, number 4. How many linear equations are satisfied by x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3? Option only 1, 2, 3, infinitely many. The answer is infinitely many, because if you add the two numbers, 2 plus minus 3, 2 plus minus 3, which is equal to minus 1, that means x plus y is equal to minus 1, one equation. Then if you subtract two numbers, you will get another equation. If you multiply two numbers, you will get another equation. If you divide two numbers, you will get another equation. Like this, the linear equations have infinitely many solutions. Finish. Number 5. The equation x minus 2 equal to 0 on number line is represented by a line, a point. C option, infinitely many lines, 2 lines. Which one is correct? The given equation is x minus 2 equal to 0. So x is equal to only 2. If you represent on the number line, it will be a point, only a point. So the option B is right. Number 6, x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1 is a solution of the linear equation. The solution of the linear equation given below. X value, y value given. Find the equation from the option. So put the value of x and y in the given equation. If the left side and right side value same, then that is the solution of the given equation, otherwise not. So try a bit. A given x plus 2y 0. Put the value of x 2 here and value of y minus 1, 2 into minus 1. So equal to 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So left side 0, right side 0. We satisfy the equation. So the option A is right. Finish. Next, number 7. If 2k minus 1 and k is a solution of the equation 10x minus 9y equal to 12, then what is the value of k? The option given 1, 2, 3, 4. Now write the given equation and put the value of xy in it. The given equation is equal to 10x minus 9y equal to 12. In place of x, put this 2k minus 1. 10 into 2k minus 1. In place of y, put k minus 9k, which is equal to 12. Implies that multiply 10 into 2k, 20k, minus 10 minus 9k equal to 12. Then 20k minus 9k, 20k minus 9k equal to 11k, minus 10 equal to 12. Imply that 11k, take minus 10 to the right side. It means 12 plus 10 is equal to 22. Implies that k is equal to 22 by 11 equal to 2. So option B is right. Number 8. The distance between the graphs of the equation x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 2 is which one? 1, 2, 3, 5. Mark the two equations. X is equal to minus 3, x is equal to 2. That means 2 points on the x-axis. When 2 points lie on the x-axis, then the distance between 2 points x2 minus x1 mod or absolute value. When 2 points lie on the x-axis, then the distance between them is equal to formula x2 minus x1 mod. So x2 x1, so 2 minus 3 mod equal to 2 plus 3 mod equal to 5. Distance between two equations or 2 points is 5. Option D is right. Number 9, like this, the distance between the graphs of the equation y is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 3 is dash. Look at the question. Here y is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 3. That means 2 points lie on the same axis, y axis. When 2 points lie on the y axis, then the distance between them y2 minus y1 mod. y2 minus y1 mod. So 2 points, y2 means 3 minus of minus 1 mod, which is equal to 3 plus 1 mod, which is equal to 4. So option B is right. Finish option B. Then number 10. If the graph of the equation 4x plus 3y equal to 12 cuts the coordinate axis at A and B, then hypotenuse of right triangle AOB is of length dash 4 unit, 3 unit, 5 units and none of these. Now draw two perpendicular axes. Now draw two perpendicular axes like this: x dash, y dash. The graph of the linear equation is a straight line which cuts the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means x axis and y axis both, A and B respectively. Suppose this point is A. The graph cuts x axis at point A and the graph cuts y axis at point B. The origin is equal to O. You have to find, so it is a right angle triangle. So find the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle AOB. The graph cuts x axis at A. That means the coordinate of point A is equal to x0. x0 means y value 0 or value of the ordinate is 0. So put the y value 0 in the given equation. First 4x plus 3y equal to 12. So 4x into 3 into y equal to 12, or 4x equal to 12. X equal to 12 by 4, 3. x3 means the coordinate point A is equal to 3, 0, or distance from O to A 3 units. Like this, the graph cuts the y axis at point B. But B means the coordinate of point on the y axis is equal to 0, y. That means put 0 in place of x in equation. 4x plus 3y equal to 12. 4 into 0 plus 3y equal to 12. 3y equal to 12. Y equal to 12 by 3 equal to 4. Now the coordinate point B is equal to 0, 4, or the point B lies 4 unit from the origin. This is the 4 unit, this is the 3 unit. So hypotenuse is equal to h is equal to hypotenuse equal to h is equal to b square plus b square root over p 4 square plus 3 square root over equal to 16 plus 9 root over 25 root over equal to 5 units. So option C is right. Now all the MCQ questions are completed. Thank you for watching.